Hello, hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade on Monday, May 7th of 2012. Carolina Lezon here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade mentoring program, and I am so excited to be here with you again and help you with some technical analysis. So let's take a look at their Qs daily, as we always do, and let's analyze it here a little bit so that you know exactly what's happening on the chart at this point in time. So check this out. Look at this beautiful test of that upper area of resistance right here. Not only the 6720, but also that black trend line that I put on the chart, that you see it right here. We first failed the 6720 and then also failed that black trend line. So we're not strong enough to continue to the upside to break through both of them and then close above them, okay? There was not enough strength in here, not enough buyers on the market. There were more sellers at that point, so no buying interest. Bears took it over and took control over the market, and boom, we are pulling back down, crashing through all major moving averages, breaking to the other side of the trade here on Friday. And that's what we see here. That's where this big candlestick is coming from, okay? We're crashing and burning big time here, back below all moving averages in a bearish territory. And check this out. Look at the MACD. MACD is beautifully confirming that bearish move here, breaking back below the zero line, entering into bearish territory as well. Okay, on a very, very significant volume. That's what I told you you should look for, and that's what we saw here happening on Friday. And then today, a little bit of a bounce, but we are still continuing lower with another lower high and another lower low. So we still have some more room to the downside, to the next area of support on our way down here, at least the 63.50 that you see here on my chart. Okay, that says there is a cross point of two major areas of support. This trend line, this black trend line coming down, as well as the 63.50. So mark this and make it a magic number at this point, and then put it on your chart so you can see it once we get closer and closer to it. All right, so then also what you need to pay close attention to is those moving averages, the 50-day moving average, and then the 8 moving average, and the one here in pink. So all of them are very, very important for you to watch, because they're acting as a pretty significant area of resistance as this moment. Okay, so that's our ceiling right here, and this is our floor. Okay, so look for both of them and pay close attention to them. Also, pay close attention to the MACD as usual, because this guy is going to tell you the right story. Actually, it's going to confirm whatever you see happening on the chart, and you need to look for the confirmation. If we see the Qs dropping here big time again, going lower and lower to that next area of support, we need to see the same thing happening on the MACD, pointing lower and pointing south. And then we also want to see some bigger volume, at least at the average or a little bit above the average. So that would be a good sign. All right, yeah, so if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask them and put them right below the video, and I'll be really happy to answer those for you. And hope it helps you. And have a wonderful day, evening, and safe trading to all of you out there tomorrow.